and welcome to our London Luxury Candle Supplies YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking you through how to make your very own classic tumbler with chrome lid candle. For this candle you are going to need 288 grams of wax, 32 grams of fragrance. Today I've gone for Indian lemongrass and lime. Our classic tumbler. You're also going to need an LCS wick 85 and a wick stickum. To start with, you're just going to need to give your tumbler a little bit of a wipe out. Just use a bit of blue cloth, that's fine. You're then going to take your wick and your stickum and you're going to place that firmly in the centre of your vessel. I've now melted my wax to 63 degrees Celsius and I've added my fragrance. I've given it a good stir for about 1 to 2 minutes. I'm now going to very slowly pour this wax into my vessel. I'm going to leave about 1 centimetre from the top and I'm going to secure my wick in place using a stiff wick. I've now left my candle to cure for a full 24 hours and then there really is nothing left to do than to trim my wick and enjoy my candle. Why not head over to our website and buy one of our 60cl candles and have a go at making your own. For this I've used 3 LCS 45s, 550 grams of wax and 55 grams of fragrance.